Welcome to Rayat Shikshan Sanstha's online learning program. English Balbharti Standard 6. Students, today we will be doing chapter 3.7 at the Science Fair. Science Fair is an opportunity for students to apply the scientific method to conduct independent research. The result is presented in a school wide science fair where the students' efforts are displayed, where students are questioned too. Students are held by the teachers and parents. They have to follow guidelines and be thoroughly prepared to answer any questions put across by visitors regarding their topic. The chapter talks about a science fair that is organized by Vidyavardhini School every year. This fair is an exciting event and students look forward to it every year. There were two basic rules of this particular kind of fair. The first one was that everything should be handled by the students, and second, everything had to have a scientific base, even the places of entertainment and refreshment. Everyone seemed to be excited about the fair and thus began preparing for it a couple of months in advance. The first step included brainstorming in order to finalize themes and topics. The principal eagerly welcomed fresh and bright ideas from the event from his students, teachers, as well as the parents. The parents and teachers formed a part of committee that was set up to look after all the work of the fair. A few students were also made a part of this committee so that they could gain experience of handling a big event. The next step was finalizing and identifying certain themes for the fair. A few of them dealt with plants, animals, properties of substances, energy, form of energy, and energy resources. Science in our everyday life. Latest news from the world of science and food and nutrition. The group of children were assigned the stalls, and it was their responsibility to decide on the activities that would be on display. Each group had to select a topic from the chosen themes, and it was a duty for the committee to see that no idea was repeated. The young and budding scientists began to work their projects with lots of enthusiasm. They first began by collecting a wide range of information on the particular topic which was chosen for the fair. They used to various resources and mediums to gather the required information. The principal focused on the importance of language, appearance, and content of the presentations. The day finally arrived when the fair was inaugurated by their oldest science teacher, Mr. Kizari. The idea of science fair was brought into existence by Mr. Gizare around 25 years back. Mr. Gizare explained the importance of using a scientific method to find answers to the questions relating to the physical world that surrounds us to the students. He appreciated the innovative idea of visitors being allowed to try out the various science experiments and models at the fair. He was impressed by the Clean Brigade and congratulated them for keeping the area clean and also for spreading the message of cleanliness. The highlight of science fair was full adulteration stall where even the parents learned something from the students. Another stall, the one about maintaining machines, attracted a lots of attention too. Visitors visitors did not hesitate to make video clips of the same. The fair was such a huge success that the school had to run it for 3 days instead of two, as was decided earlier. The principal allowed this change because it was truly an educational activity and it served its purpose well by not only helping the children to learn and grow but also the rest of the community.